Sometimes getting new plugins for your production process can be some kind of addiction, right? Sounds familiar? Yeah. The problem is this can be really expensive. But here's the good news. There's a ton of amazing plugins out there that can level up your sound and also fulfill your needs of getting new plugins completely for free. And I'm gonna show you some of the best today, so let's get started. So the first plugin is for all my vocal lovers out there, even though I know no one has this vocal obsession like I do. Never mind, let's talk about Izotope's Vocal Doubler. This plugin is pretty straightforward because you can effortlessly enhance your vocals and give them a really wide sound with only one simple knob. You can set separation and variation on your vocals and make them shine through in your mix.
I wanna see you, don't want you to leave. I wanna feel you, hold on tight to me. Finally found a place we can be free, vibing together, we move in harmony.
Sometimes the results of this plugin can be a bit over the top, so your vocal mixing is probably not done with this plugin alone. But it's still something that you should keep in your library. The next plugin is technically not a plugin, it's a desktop app. But hear me out. It's also from Izotope and it's called Audiolens, and it's a game changer when it comes to referencing. Audiolens can analyze songs from any sound source on your device, including streaming services. So you could say you can create frequency profiles of any song and then compare them with each other. The use case here would be to compare your own productions with other professional productions, and you can instantly see where your own master is still lacking. And it gets really crazy when you own Ozone, because you can apply these frequency profiles directly on your mix to match your own productions to this master. But since Ozone isn't free, this is just a side note. Audiolens itself as a standalone is still amazing, and this one is for free. Who doesn't like digital versions of classic analog units from back in the day, especially when it's something so vintage like a flanger? Let me introduce Bluecat Flanger. Easy to use interface and possibilities from harsh and metallic to smooth and soft filtering effects for that old school 70s and 80s vibe. I personally don't know any other plugin that is so powerful in this regard. The best thing about Bluecat's Flanger are the applicable LFO shapes and the massive amount of different presets. As my honorable mention today, I have 32 plugins for you at once. I'm talking about Kiloheart's Essentials, a bundle with a ton of plugins and effects. It's basically the essential go-to suite when you're just starting out with music production, because you get everything you need at once for free. Crazy. EQ, delay, distortion, dynamics, limiter, reverb, LFO shaping, so absolutely everything. And my personal favorite, Transgate. It's a sequence gate that lets you create stutter effects. Oh, I love it. Let's get things straight. These effects aren't the industry standard, and they are certainly not the best of the best, since they are very simple and limited in their functionality. But holy, this bundle gives you everything for free. Ridiculous. And here they are, some of the best plugins out there for free. You want more? No problem. I already made 2 other videos on this topic with the best free plugins where I showcase the best free plugins, so make sure to check them out here and in the description. What is your favorite free plugin? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Your support is absolutely everything. Until then, have an amazing day or night and see you soon.